Part 1. Reserving a table at a restaurant for a birthday party.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Customer. Good afternoon. I'd like to reserve a table for a birthday party. Receptionist. Good afternoon. Sure, I can help with that. May I know the date and time of the party? Customer. It's on Sunday the 21st of April, at 6:30 in the evening. Receptionist. Got it. How many guests will be attending? Customer. Around 15 people, including a few children. Receptionist. All right. Would you like indoor or outdoor seating? Customer. Indoor, please. Preferably in a quiet corner if possible. Receptionist. Certainly. We have a private area available that would be perfect for your group. Do you have any special requirements, like decorations, cake arrangements, or dietary preferences? Customer. Yes, it's for a child's birthday, so some simple decorations would be nice. And we'll bring our own cake. Receptionist. No problem. Just to inform you, we charge a small fee for outside cakes. Would you like us to arrange a customized menu or go with our standard party menu? Customer. Please send me the party menu options. We'd like to decide based on that. Receptionist. Of course. I'll email you the details right away. May I have your name and contact number, please? Customer. Sure, my name is Alpametta, and my number is 9,876,543,210. Receptionist. Thank you, Miss Mehta. Your table is reserved for April 21st at 6:30 p.m. for 15 guests. We'll follow up shortly with the menu and decoration options. Is there anything else I can help you with? Customer. That's all for now. Thank you. Receptionist. You're welcome. We look forward to hosting your party. Have a great day.
Part 2. A university official discussing extracurricular activities for student.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Hello everyone and welcome to Greenwood University. I'm Sarah Thompson, the Student Activities Coordinator, and I'm here today to give you an overview of the extracurricular opportunities available to you as a student here. Now, while academics are, of course, the main focus of university life, we believe that participating in extracurricular activities plays a crucial role in your overall development. These activities can help you make new friends, manage stress, and even discover hidden talents or future career paths. Let me begin with our sports and fitness programs. We offer a wide range of team sports such as football, cricket, volleyball, and basketball. Our sports facilities include a fully equipped gym, indoor and outdoor courts, and a swimming pool. For those who prefer something less competitive, there are yoga and aerobics classes which are held 3 times a week. Whether you're an experienced athlete or just looking to stay fit, there's something for everyone. Moving on to arts and cultural activities, we have several student-run societies including the drama club, dance team, music band, and photography group. These clubs often organize performances, exhibitions, and workshops throughout the academic year. Last year, our drama society performed a modern version of Shakespeare's Hamlet that was incredibly well received by both students and faculty. For students looking to build professional or leadership skills, we recommend joining the debate club, the entrepreneurship cell, or the student government. These platforms allow you to practice public speaking, event planning, team management, and even budgeting. Each year, the Entrepreneurship Cell also hosts a campus-wide startup competition, where winners get seed funding and mentorship opportunities. We also take great pride in our community outreach programs. You can volunteer to teach underprivileged children, help in local cleanup drives, or assist in organizing health awareness camps. Participation in these programs not only helps the community but also enhances your interpersonal and organizational skills. If you're unsure about what suits your interests, don't worry, we host an activities fair during the first 2 weeks of every semester. All clubs and societies set up booths and you can walk around, ask questions and sign up for trial sessions. Most clubs also post regular updates on our university app and notice boards, so make sure to stay informed. Before I wrap up, I just want to emphasize one thing: don't feel pressured to join everything at once. Explore a few options, see what fits your personality and schedule, and most importantly, have fun. University life is full of possibilities, and the experiences you gain outside the classroom are just as valuable as what you learn inside it. Thank you, and I hope to see many of you getting involved this semester.
Part 3, Students Debating on the Ethical Consideration in Psychological Studies.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Emma. Hey Josh, have you finished reading the article for our psychology seminar? The one about ethical guidelines in psychological research? Josh. Yeah, I did. It was really interesting, especially how ethics have evolved since the early experiments. Some of those studies from the past were quite shocking. Emma. I know. The Milgram experiment really stood out to me. I can't believe participants were subjected to that kind of emotional stress. Josh. Exactly. And back then, informed consent wasn't always properly obtained. Participants often didn't know the full nature of the study. Emma. Which is why modern ethical standards are so strict. Now researchers must clearly explain the purpose of the study, what's involved, and any potential risks. Participants also have the right to withdraw at any point. Josh. Right. The British Psychological Society's Code of Ethics outlines all that. And there's also the issue of deception. It's allowed sometimes, but only if it's absolutely necessary and followed by a full debriefing. Emma. Debriefing is key, isn't it? It helps ensure that participants leave the study without any lasting psychological harm or confusion. Josh. Yeah, and confidentiality is another major point. Researchers have to protect participants' identities and keep all data secure. Emma. I think what surprised me most is that even observation studies in public places need ethical review. Just because someone is in a public setting doesn't mean you can record or observe them without consent. Josh. Good point. It's about respecting people's autonomy and privacy no matter what kind of research you're doing. Emma. Exactly. So, are you including all these points in your seminar notes? Josh. Definitely. I'm structuring it around informed consent, deception, confidentiality, right to withdraw, and the importance of ethical review boards. Emma. That sounds perfect. I think if we both focus on examples too, like Milgram or the Stanford prison experiment, it'll help make our arguments stronger. Josh. Agreed. Ethical awareness is so important in psychology today. No researcher wants to repeat the mistakes of the past.
Part 4, The Role of Renewable Energy in Reducing Carbon Emissions.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Good morning, everyone. Today's lecture focuses on the critical role that renewable energy plays in reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. As global temperatures rise and extreme weather events become more frequent, the need to transition away from fossil fuels has never been more urgent. Let's start with a bit of context. Carbon emissions, mainly in the form of carbon dioxide, are the result of burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. These emissions trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere and are the primary driver of global warming. In fact, the energy sector alone accounts for around 75% of all global greenhouse gas emissions. Now, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal offer a sustainable alternative. Unlike fossil fuels, these energy sources produce little to no carbon emissions during operation. For example, solar panels generate electricity directly from sunlight, and wind turbines convert wind into power, all without releasing harmful gases into the atmosphere. One of the key benefits of renewable energy is that it's increasingly cost-effective. The cost of solar and wind energy has dropped dramatically in the last decade, making them competitive with, and in some cases even cheaper than, fossil fuels. This shift has encouraged countries and private sectors alike to invest more heavily in green technologies. However, there are challenges. Renewable sources are often intermittent. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. That's why many countries are investing in energy storage solutions, like large-scale batteries, and improving their energy grids to handle variable power inputs more efficiently. Government policies also play a crucial role. Many nations now offer subsidies or tax incentives to encourage the development of renewable energy. Others have introduced carbon pricing schemes to make polluting more expensive and clean energy more attractive. Moreover, the role of individuals and communities shouldn't be underestimated. Rooftop solar panels, community wind projects, and even small-scale hydro systems empower people to generate their own clean energy, further reducing dependence on carbon-intensive sources. In conclusion, renewable energy is not a silver bullet, but it's a critical part of the solution to climate change. When combined with energy efficiency measures, reforestation, and carbon capture technologies, renewables have the potential to dramatically cut global emissions and lead us toward a more sustainable future. Thank you. And in our next lecture, we'll explore how different countries are implementing renewable energy strategies and the results they've seen so far.